5 ways to boost your curb appeal for under $500. And if you stick around until we get to number 1, completely free, just a little bit of effort. I'm Jeff Joseph, and today we're going to talk about the 5 top ways that you can boost your curb appeal for under $500. So number 5, power wash. So power wash your driveway for sure. You get all that dust. If you're here in Central Texas, then we have cedar pollen everywhere. Get that pollen off of it. Power wash any stone where water is splashed up on it or whatever it may be. Just really makes it look great. I would caution you against power washing your roof. That's not a great idea. It just takes the life right off of the roof. And finally, just be careful if you're gonna power wash siding. And I guess kind of an added bonus, if you're using me to sell your house, well, you can borrow my power washer. Number 4, let's do some landscaping. So landscaping can take on a bunch of different forms. The reason why I say under $500 is because it can be simple as mowing your grass, trimming your bushes. You want to trim your trees up to 8-10 feet, something like that, where it looks really nice, where you can see the home from the street. Finally, moving on from that, where a little bit of a budget comes in, is that we want to put mulch, dark brown, black mulch, at least 3 or 4 inches, real thick in front of the house. It just makes it look really, really nice from the street. And then if you have some budget left over in there, think about adding in some native plants. That makes it look really good. Some flowers, just be careful with too much color. Before I get to number 3, what kind of ideas do you have about boosting your curb appeal? Would like to know, and you can put it down in the comments. So number 3, lighting. You can find some really, really inexpensive lighting, and if you've ever seen, like at nighttime, homes that have those solar lights where it leads up to the house, that can look really nice. On the same topic of lighting, make sure that any lights you have on your house at nighttime, make sure that they're all the same color temperature. Number 2, you know what, let's paint the front door. That's always a head scratcher for some folks. A lot of times the recommendation kind of shocks them. Let's paint it black. Really pops against some houses. Let's paint it navy blue. Let's paint it like dark green, something that really makes a statement up front. If you're like me and you're not quite ready to paint your front door navy or something like that, one thing that really does make a huge difference is let's clean it really, really, really well. Clean the hardware, clean the door really, really good, and you'd be surprised on what a big difference that makes whenever you're looking at it from the street. And then number 1, like I told you, completely free. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the screens off of the house, right? So take the screens off, and then we're gonna clean all of the windows in the house super good. So that doesn't cost you anything. Soap and water works great on windows. It doesn't have to be an expensive cleaner or squeegee or anything like that. Let's clean the windows, and that is a huge benefit to curb appeal. Number 1, you're getting ahead of the game in that you're gonna need to do that for photographs anyway. All houses look much better with really, really crystal clear windows, and yep, that's just some elbow grease. All right, so thanks for making it to number 1 with me. And like I said, if you have a way that you'd like to boost your curb appeal, I'd like to learn that too. Thanks, and have a good day.